Welcome to Student Planning, Changing Sections. Finding and changing your course sections is easy with Student Planning. You can do this by going to the Plan and Schedule tab and select Schedule. Use the arrows to move between terms. Scroll down to your desired course. To view sections of that course in the selected term, click View Other Sections. Move your mouse down the selected sections to see how those sections will fit in your schedule. If you are looking for a section of a course that is on a different term, use the arrows to scroll to that term. If you do not see the course or section in your plan, use the course catalog to search for the course and add it to your plan. Click your desired section to add it to your schedule. The section details window will appear. Review the section information and then click Add Section to Schedule. The section will now display as planned on your schedule. Prior to registration starting, to remove your previously planned section, click the X beside the section name. A confirmation window will appear. Click the Remove button to remove the section. After registration has started and you plan to change sections, make sure to plan and register in your desired sections first before dropping the sections you no longer want. To do this, plan and find your section as mentioned earlier. Click the registration button on the section you want to register in. After you are registered in that section, click the drop button on the section you no longer want. Please remember to drop the section you no longer want. Otherwise, you'll be registered in both sections and will be charged fees for both sections. And that's changing sections. Please take a look at our other student planning videos.